Alright. Let's kill this motherfucker. Morgott. More like get got, bitch. Okay, so... take drugs. Let's fucking go. I don't even know his moves. I mean, I kind of do. This is not the first try at all. Oh, shit. My fucking... no! Let's go, bitch. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck, the delay is so bad. Fuck off, mate. Oh, shit! Oh, shit, my man. I mean, my FB. The follow-up, goddamn. Goddamn, that could have ended me right there. Oh, shit.
Stained by my curse, such shedding I cannot bear. Thy part in this shall not be forgiven.
Goddamn, too early. Oh my god! My fucking first seat my asshole. That's what, bitch. God fucking damn. Oh god, this is something. Okay. I love this game. No. Everything will be, totes daijobs, as they say. I just really want to change up my, my build to a samurai Buddhist warrior monk build, but I guess I have to get through this boss with my fucking moonblade katanas. I mean katana, there's only one I got. Oh fuck! Okay. That's oops. Wrong button. Oh. I deserve that. Deserve that. I deserve this, all of it. Yeah. I deserve that. I deserve that.
these foolish ambitions
Yeah.
to rest.
I fucked up with just using one flask, and that's when all of it died. Oh, that's horrible. That was really bad. That's, Jesus. I'm having like an aneurysm. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Alright. Get in here. Don't fuck up the buttons. Hopefully he doesn't throw a dagger. There we go. That I cannot cancel. Oh well. The most annoying part is the delay attacks.
Put these
Like that.
foolish ambitions to
What the fuck?
rest.
I'm losing my nerve. I think I'm depending too much on the my homing missile swords. Right. I'm depending too much on it. When he is in range, I do not use those. Only when somehow I get a bit of distance between me and him, between me and Morgott. That's when I use my my magical weave powers. Like here, right? There's still some distance between me and him. I'm gonna use this only once. He's gonna throw a dagger on me if I try it the second time. There's always a chance. Emphasizing on the patience here. Hello, buddy. There we go. Oh, shot! That was so close. Alright, stab me in the dick. Hasn't procced in his second phase somehow. There we go. Gonna come. Yes, it's actually come. This is where I'm gonna die now.
The thrones, stained by my curse, such shame I cannot bear.
Don't die! The range.
Thy part in this shall not be forgiven.
Yeah. I wonder why, you fucking dickhead. That was close. That was gonna be a one hit. I'm fucking scared for my life. let's fucking go! Fuck you. Morgott, more like get got, bitch. Jesus. Yes. Remember, it's my ass. No fucking way, man. You can talk this motherfucker?
Tarnished. Not but a fool.
Says the one dying.
The Erd Tree wards off all who deign approach.
Seems like you failed.
We are all forsaken.
Just like anyone playing this game. God damn.
None may claim the title of Elden Lord. Thy deeds shall be met with failure, just as I.
Motherfucker looks more stoned than an adulterous woman in Saudi Arabia. God damn. Get fucked. Holy shit. That was it. That was fucking it, man. Holy I love this game.